Hello my dears, this is Sarah from sheholdsdearly.com, and today I'm going to take you on the second part of my trip to Missouri to visit Lisa Bath's, to visit my friend's house and meet up with some other business owners. I really want you to take away from this video a tip that can be a lot of fun when you're traveling. I want you to be sure and think outside of the box when it comes to tourist attractions that you're planning on seeing. And every time you're out of town, I want you to try to squeeze in a visit to a thrift store, a local thrift store, and at least one antique store or mall. I was able to meet up with Lisa Bass from Farmhouse on Boone. We actually stayed at her place, and I have a video showing an entire home tour of her beautiful Victorian home. You can watch that if you would like. I also was there with Cammie from Tidbits, and Andrea from Pine and Prospect Home, Sarah from Grace in My Space, and Laura from Our Oily House. All of them are also YouTubers and bloggers. So if you need more really great content, you can check them out as well. And I'm just gonna let this camera roll and show you what we were able to find on this vacation. So after lunch, we are hitting the antique barn. I'll show you around. Always go to antique stores and even thrift stores when you are traveling. It's always a question of how am I going to get this home. Shipping is always a beast, so you got to get it into a suitcase. Oh, $10. And lots of cigar boxes, which are very beautiful. My husband actually collects cigar boxes. Can I get that in my suitcase? $10. This nightstand, I would use it as a nightstand. $2.45 if you're in St. Louis, Missouri. Come get this. Perfect for a nightstand. Not for carry-on like I have. I am starting to love linen mats on pictures. Samplers. These are really popular with cottage core. Just everything in this store. In this booth. Really dreamy, kind of Rococo style. If you're familiar with that. I always think it's fun when I find a chicken crate, because that's what my coffee table is copied after. This one's $58. You make your own. There's a life-size buggy in here, and I don't know if you can tell from this video, but look how long this counter is. So beautiful. It's 20 feet long. Makes me want to start a store. This would be a cute pantry. $150 for this whole thing. What a cute pantry. It's kind of, yeah. I feel like it's kind of yellowy. I feel like it's a little yellowy.
I know, but it's if you scrubbed it.
You would scrub it.
With soap and water.
You think that
Have
yellowy
you
would
seen
come
like
off?
scrubbed pine?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Where would you put it?
I don't know a place for it. It's not in my little home.
So we're in a thrift store. All of us are finding pieces that we love. I'm finding a lot. This one's really good. That couch right there with the tuxedo arms. Now I don't have red in my house, but I would, this is $50. Are you stinking kidding me? I would pull this out into the snow and I would do my Christmas photos on this. Please come buy it so I don't have to grieve. I have to get on an airplane, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to do that, but oh man.
So have you passed up the small one?
Yeah, too small.
Okay. She said it doesn't look
For the boys' room, look at the boy colors you could pull out of that. And then they can mess it up.
They have blue and white quilts.
Yeah, they have the jute one right now. I don't know what I'd do with the little rug on top that I like. It's vintage.
$60.
You'd eventually give it to me, I bet.
I bet I know where it would go. Laura's house. Shoot.
I don't know if I like the pattern as much.
The pattern's a little bit. That's too feminine.
It's just not quite.
I don't know if
That's your first instinct, then
I don't like this
I
section
usually
as much.
me neither. I usually
I like
like medallions and things.
Yeah. This bit. I don't know. This is too much.
I'm not either. I'm so surprised too.
I think it's stained. I think
also stained.
this is
It's
stained,
only $60.
which is the color difference too.
You could have it clean. I think it is wool.
It is wool, but I don't think I like the pattern.
But if you had the two beds on it, you would feel up like how it is for and that beautiful tan.
I like anything upturned.
And I don't know, could you clean it for $30 if you get a red cleaner?
It probably would.
Yeah, it was a big wind up, and then yeah, everybody's like, yeah.
Wasn't as good as we expected.
So the whole basket with all the linens.
Thank you.
All right.
Just buy the
They
basket.
said-
You can take whatever you want out
They
of it.
said everything $15.
Everything for $15, including the basket.
This is probably 100 years old.
We
This is
worked it.
hand stitched.
Did you just happen to
No.
open the basket?
She happened
And I
to
was like,
know that
oh.
you're not supposed to just pass.
Look at all
clothes.
this.
Aw.
I buy all the dresses back from
Her cases, her display cases. Man, I wonder where she gets all her stuff.
I always wonder that.
I want to know what this thing is. It's wire, gold wire mesh, like a screen. They put it up there like a ruffle. It's actually, I mean, it's really pretty. I just don't understand. What is this for? If you know, put it in the comments. And then I keep seeing these sailor uniforms, and I want to get them for, let me look at the back of this. I want to get these for my summer decorating. How cute. Did you guys find anything? I'm just as fascinated with the building that we're in. Every room is so cool. It used to be an old store, she said. And yeah, it's just the architecture, and there's, you go upstairs and downstairs, and every room feels a little different. And I really recommend this place. Her prices are really good. And she has everything displayed so sweet. You can tell she works so hard.
love that little shopping cart. It's like really well made too. $50.
So I hope that was fun to tag along with us and see what we found. Just some of the little clips of that trip. As you heard, I was bemoaning repeatedly that I couldn't get things onto the plane that I normally would buy if I were near my house. So it's the only bad thing about shopping when you're traveling. But I do recommend it anyhow. I want you to leave me suggestions in the comments below. I'm interested to know where you live and where you think the best spots are to thrift and antique in your hometown. And I'll keep a list going. So I would love to visit the places that you suggest. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. All right, take care. I'll talk to you soon.